Let's be honest, rethreading a serger from scratch can feel like a total chore. But did you know there's a faster and easier option? I call it beeline threading, the quickest way to swap out your serger thread. And today I'm going to show you how to do it. Hi Serger Bees, I'm Sookie, your serger coach, here to help you build confidence with your serger one stitch at a time. And by the way, if you love serger tips and inspiration and exclusive discounts, make sure you're a part of the Serger Loop. It's my weekly email with all the best serger goodies. Follow the link in the description so that you stay in the loop. Instead of rethreading every single spool from scratch, we're going to use the beeline threading method. Basically, we'll tie off the threads and pull them through. Today I'm demonstrating this with a 4-thread overlock stitch, but this trick works for any overlock stitch, and honestly, even for chain and cover stitches too. First, raise your presser foot to release the tension. This should let the threads pull through pretty easily. If they're still tight, try setting all your tension dials to 0 and test again. Next, pull a little extra thread from the spool so you have enough to tie onto the new spool. Once you've got that, go ahead and clip the threads close to the spools. Now, swap out your spools for the new thread. I'm using a contrasting color so you can really see the difference. Then, tie each old thread to the new thread using a square knot. Nice and snug. Time to pull the threads through. I like to start with the loopers first, then move on to the needles. The needle threads will stop right at the eye of the needle. At that point, you'll just need to clip that knot and thread the eye of the needle manually. Now be sure to readjust your tension back to where they need to be and do a test stitch. Now, if you're looking for a step-by-step guide on threading sergers from start to finish, check out this video right here. And until I see you next time, I hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye.